Cutting live across to Singhu border, where we are getting live shots of heavy police deployment at the Singhu border. That's the Singhu border across your screens right now. You can see heavy police deployment at the border. Remember, the farmers have been protesting at the Singhu border for the past 2 months, and not just that, you had the locals who took an objection to the farmers protesting, going on to condemn the violence that took place on 26th of January. So these are locals who are absolutely angry at this point of time. They've asked the farmers to move. The farmers have been protesting for over 2 months over there at the Singhu border. They want the farmers to vacate. In the middle of all of this, there is heavy police deployment at the Singhu border. You can see those visuals that are coming in. In fact, what transpired on 26th of January on Republic Day has really augured down badly for the farmers who have been protesting peacefully at the Singhu border. The tide has turned definitely at Singhu after all that violence and anarchy that you saw on the 26th of January. There's some bit of action that is coming in from the Singhu border, from the visuals that we are picking up at the moment. We'll be able to describe the visuals better once our reporter joins us. But for the moment, we can see locals right there. We can see heavy police deployment as well. We still have to get some reactions from the farmers right there at the Singhu border as to how they feel about the angry locals objecting to their protests, and in the light of, especially in the light of what transpired on 26th of January. So Republic Day tractor rally, damaging protests right there. It is locals versus farmers. After all that violence, the tide now turning at the Singhu border. This is the Singhu border face-off we're talking about. Now Rakesh Tiket is giving a live reaction. Let's listen into what he has to say. We'll re-establish that connection. Apologies about the technical glitch, but Rakesh Tiket, the BKU leader, is speaking, so we'll cut to him as soon as we can. Ashutosh Mishra joining us live from the Singhu border. Ashutosh, we can see heavy amount of police deployment at the Singhu border. Is this on the fear that these locals who have turned angry and the farmers perhaps could face off? Is that the reason why the police has been deployed, or are they actually being moved out there?
Well, despite the police presence, it's a free access, free fall for the these protesters who claims to be the local. And look at the contrast. One side there is a stage where farmers are protesting, and now they are entering in the remote, deep area of Singhu border. Imagine, this could be really a flashpoint of what has happened on the Republic Day. Could be another, brawl between two groups. So here they were allowed to march in this particular area, and clearly I cannot see except 3 or 4 policemen. I really can't see much more here. They are deployed on the entry point, exit
point. But for them to check if they are actually locals, if you could just get a reaction coming in from them, ask them where they live, what is their problem, if we could hear from these protesters as well.
Well, first, Chatty, when the very first questions were put up there, they said that they are from Hindustan Sangathan, and now they are saying they are the locals. We'll have a live reactions from them. So, क्या मांगे लेकर के आप लोग आए हैं यहाँ पे? क्या कहना चाहेंगे? क्यों आए हैं यहाँ पे? किस संगठन से है बाबा जी? हैं जी? किस संगठन से हैं?
हिंदू से।
अच्छा, तो क्या मांग लेकर के आए हैं आप?
मांग लेकर के यहाँ से हटाया जाए, कहीं भी रहा जाए। यहाँ पब्लिक परेशान है ना, इस परेशानी को दूर किया जाए। पब्लिक आम आना जाने का रास्ता, हरियाणा भी, पंजाब भी, राजस्थान भी सब है।
You heard it on camera, who they are, which organizations they are from, and what their demands are. As they claim that many of them locals, but of course many are not briefed well. They said which organizations they belong to, and now other side, look at the police deployment here. So there was march which was allowed at this area, and police is now guiding them. Senior officers are guiding them which way to go through. Now they are being guided to take other side. So clearly the march is now under the police supervision. Here, other side, these deployment, and this is to prevent the protester in the other side, because that's the most dense area where there is a heavy deployment of police as well, police personnel, and that's where the farmers camp. This is Singhu border, and here on It's a 3 to 4 kilometer long traffic. This entire national highway, GT Canal Road, which is blocked by the farmers, and that's exactly what these protesters are demanding to vacate. So their first demand that it was a disrespect to the national flag. Also said they have been feeding for 2 months to these farmers on the street, as they said on our camera, and now they said there is a trouble for us to commute to Panipat, other districts of Haryana and Punjab, and hence vacate this area. So there you see police now at this part where they have entered. There is a further preventing entry to the agitation side. This is deployment for the protesters, and also to prevent any flash point between the protesters and the farmers. This is a high voltage drama unfolding at Delhi's Singhu border, cornered by Delhi police personnel, paramilitary forces, rapid action force. At this point, the protesters were allowed here, and now the police personnel are guiding them. Perhaps they are taking them to other side. Now they have come to intervene and taking these protesters out of the agitation venue. Now, so they were allowed up to this area, which is under guard of the security men, the police, and now they are being asked to vacate. Now they are returning. Here, any flash point is prevented. The police is now asking them to return back. But imagine the places, the agitation points, where even media is not allowed without verifying their ID cards. The protesters were allowed. There you can see the senior officers will just have a word. Sir, सुरेंद्र यादव जी, प्रोटेस्टर्स यहाँ पहुंचे, एक फ्लैश पॉइंट हो सकता था. सर, आने कैसे दिया गया इनको यहाँ तक? There you see the question, the legitimate questions, how these protesters were even allowed to enter at this venue. You saw them, senior officer Surendra Yadav, IPS, just turned his face away. Here, another way, of course, they are hailing the police force as well. And what has happened on the Republic Day, this could be another flashpoint, a brawl between agitating farmers. As they say, they are locals, vacate Singhu border. That demand grows. Remember, there have been several such protests in many parts of northern states where the farmers are occupying the highway. And indeed, there have been several complaints as they are blocking the national highway.
Ashutosh, it's becoming very clear from the reactions you brought from on ground as well that some of them are just posing to be locals as well. We saw that reaction play out here on India Today. We still have to ascertain whether how many locals are actually present right there. But for now, at least they say they are locals. So it is locals versus farmers. But from many reactions that are coming in, we can tell that some of them are not really locals who are protesting. They want the farmers to move out of Singhu border. They say they are fed up. Ashutosh is getting us that ground report right there. Ashutosh, can we get some more reactions just to understand what is in the mind of these protesters who want the farmers to leave the Singhu border, to vacate the Singhu border? Also, just like the way you checked earlier, whether or not they belong to certain outfits.
Yes. So they are joining me here in this broadcast. क्या डिमांड है आप लोगों की और कहाँ से आए हैं आप लोग?
बकोली से आए हम तो.
कहाँ पर है ये?
यहाँ बकोली, ये अलीपुर के पास है.
अच्छा, कितना दूर है यहाँ से?
यहाँ से 3-4 किलोमीटर.
किस तरह की दिक्कतें आप लोगों को हो रही है और क्या मांग
जी, हमारी गाड़ी चाहते हम. और गाड़ी आने जाने की दिक्कत होता है बहुत ज्यादा.
अच्छा,
बहुत दिक्कत होता है हमें. इस चक्कर में हम आए हैं.
अच्छा, हाँ. कितने दिन तक कितनी मुश्किलें हुई आप लोगों को?
बहुत मुश्किल हुई है.
तो 60 दिन क्यों नहीं आए आप लोग? अब तक क्यों नहीं आए प्रोटेस्ट?
आए थे, पर हम तो चलो कोई बात नहीं, मान जाएंगे. पर इन्होंने तिरंगा का अपमान करा लाल किले में जाके. इससे हम भी गरीब है, ये भी गरीब है, कोई बात नहीं. पर इन्होंने अपमान करा तो उसके तो आना पड़ेगा ना. अब सारे भाई हमारे साथ है.
तो किस संगठन के साथ जुड़े आप लोग?
हम बकोली से आए, हम दिल्ली के हैं.
दिल्ली के रहने वाले हैं. क्या मांग लेकर आए हैं आप लोग? क्या मांग कर रहे हैं आप लोग यहाँ पे? क्या डिमांड करने आए हैं?
ये बॉर्डर खाली करवाना है जी.
बॉडी खाली. क्या करते हैं आप?
हम यहाँ जूते वाले गोदाम है यहाँ जी, इंडस्ट्री एरिया. यहाँ काम
धंधे का नुकसान हो रहा है.
बहुत नुकसान हो रहा है जी. 2 महीने से घर पे बैठे पड़े हैं.
There have been genuine concerns as well, Chaitra. Remember, 2 months, a national highway blocked by the farmers, And that indeed, going to be really a trouble for particularly they have those who have their shops here, commercial establishment here. So that's also been a case here. But here the protests have now erupted. The question that only being raised here, that despite so much police presence, which could be law enforcement agencies to take action and evacuate, how this protest even allowed to enter at this, which could be a flashpoint. Back to you, Chaiti.
All right, Ashutosh, thank you for getting us all those details. This remains to be our top focus. Ashutosh is right there in the middle of all these protests that are breaking out, and he's getting us all these ground reports. We'll continue updating you on what's going on right there at the Singhu border. For now, it's a wrap from me, Chaiti Narula, on this bulletin. For further news and updates, don't forget to log on to indiatoday.in or download our app.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.